Yeah, so I'm Rob. I run a digital marketing agency, and we help mostly med spas. Some other clients do mainly social media ads. So I'm Bradley with Clinic Roar, and we've been in business since 2017. I've worked with over 1,000 practices and providers, and I install a compound growth engine. Click the console that takes your practice from where you are to where you need to go. I also host the Aesthetics Growth podcast, and I also wrote the book, Digital Marketing and Sales for Aesthetic Practices. So I've been doing this about a year and a half. I work in a few different industries, and med spas and dentists are most of what I do. And we've been doing pretty well because there's a really good opportunity in both those industries. We started in 2017, and like I said, we work exclusively with medical and aesthetic practices, med spas, aesthetic practices, cosmetic surgeons, vein clinics. I personally traveled from coast to coast visiting these clinics, been in the treatment room, in the operating room, and we handle all of the patient inquiries, everything from click to console with a fully integrated system, exactly what the practices need to grow. Yeah, so we run meta ads on Instagram and Facebook. We build the campaigns, we manage them. We also do some follow-up stuff, and I have a VA who reaches out to all the leads, and that's kind of the core of it. So we installed a complete compound growth engine that includes full website infrastructure, omnipresent ads, search engine optimization, AEO, GEO, which is AI search, and a full response system that nurtures leads and responds to everybody within 60 seconds. We also provide human coaching, sales support for your team, and we host inpatient events as well. We also have a back-end academy to support your team as your practice grows. Honestly, SEO takes forever. We focus on paid ads because that's really what we do. So SEO is not what it was 5 years ago. We're now in the era of AI search. When a patient searches ChatGPT or Gemini or Google's AI, they're looking for best med spa near me or Botox in my area. So if your practice doesn't show up, then you're invisible. Your agency needs to provide this. If your agency isn't building an AI search visibility right now, then you're shrinking and possibly disappearing. So we incorporate traditional SEO and AI search so that our practices can be found when patients are searching. And then we layer in ads and omnipresent advertising as the finishing touch. Yeah, so I can show you a presentation deck sometime. I mean, it's still pretty early, but we're building case studies, and the feedback has been really good from some of our clients. Well, since 2017, we've generated over $70 million in tracked revenue from medical and aesthetic practices. We have testimonials, case studies on our websites. Check out our Google reviews. These are from real people. We also attend industry events as well. So our clients know us by names, and they refer us to colleagues. So really for us, it's all about having trust within the marketplace and doing the right thing. So right now it's mainly me. I'm pretty hands-on. I mean, I have a VA who helps out with some of the stuff and some of the admin things, but I'm the one really who does the strategy, and you'll be going directly through me. That's actually going to be a plus. So I'm the co-owner and CEO. My business partner Brad is a clinician, and he's our chief clinical officer. We have a full leadership team and over 30 employees, including paid media specialists, SEO, AI visibility experts, and a patient concierge team. Client success team. Every client is a senior growth specialist attached to them, so you're not dealing with a VA. You have a full team that's actually been doing this for nearly a decade within the medical and aesthetics industry. I mean, I could guarantee 30 patients or something like that. There's other agencies that do that. I guess that could be good. Well, we guarantee 90 patients in 90 days. And if we don't deliver, then you don't pay. And we keep working at no additional cost until we do. It's all month to month, but we have clients for years. We back everything up because we've been doing this long enough that we know it works when we install our compound growth engine for the right practice, and we customize programs to your needs. So we should probably have a private one-on-one conversation. Look, if you're running a medical spa or aesthetics practice and you're doing about $50,000 to $75,000 a month or more, and if any of this resonated with you, click the button and book your free strategy call. We'll look at your specific practice, show you exactly how the compound growth engine works, and tell you directly if we are a fit. No pressure, no pitch, no stress. Click below and let's talk.